Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 4.5.5 and we are going to shut down immediately. So the power has gone out in your facility. You have an uninterruptible power supply UPS that protects your system and provides enough power to allow you to shut down safely. So in this lab, your task is to immediately shut down the system using the command line. Alright, so that is about it for this lab. Let's go ahead and start lab. So we just wait for the lab to load. Should in case you need a detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the tested lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership where you get detailed video one-on-one guide on how to solve any of the tested lab by clicking the join button. So we'll wait for the lab to load. Alright, so we type in shut down. Space H space now. And then you press enter. So we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to like and subscribe so that others can benefit also. Share in other platforms. And thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.